Welcome to our kubecode analytics demonstration. Today I want to show you the new capabilities for OData queries. Before we can start, we have to make sure that the feature is enabled. So I go to Extensions, kubecode analytics, Tools, Settings, and I have to verify that it is enabled. So we are good here. Okay, first let's start with a very simple one, simple retrieve. So of course I have to call the function. And here's our first challenge. I need to know the entity name, but of course I got IntelliSense here, so I can step in an account, or I can go with contact. And the second argument is the actual query. So if I would like to retrieve something, I have to use the select statement. And as you can see, I got IntelliSense here. So it's very simple task. Let's say the first name and the last name. And as you can see, I got the display name here. Logical name, the display name, and some additional information about the type and the description. That's it. The next one is a simple filter. So I have to extend my query here and use the filter here. And let's say first name equals null. But of course, I can also add additional conditions here, like functions and so on. So there are a couple of options here. Good. Then the next one is an example how to retrieve related data. To be able to do so, I have to use the expand keyword, and let's say parent customer ID. And now I can select the attributes. And as you can see, the context has changed. So now I'm in the context of an account. Good. And the last one is a little bit more complicated example. So let's simplify the query first. And then we can start to retrieve aggregated data via functions and Lambda expressions. So let's say we got contacts, appointments, and now I have to use a function. In this case, I can go with any. Then I have to define a variable, and I can use it there. So as you can see, now I'm in the context of an appointment. And this should be equal to null or any other condition here. At the end, it improves my performance a lot because I don't have to go to the system and watch out for the entity names. That's the very first examples. We're going to show you more advanced topics at the end of the month when we do the next webinar. Thanks for listening.